Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add products to TikTok shop. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your web browser. Now in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type TikTok shop and press enter in the keyboard, and the search results will be shown to you. And you just have to click on the first search result, that is TikTok shop center. And when you are inside the TikTok shop center, you just have to click on the login if you have already created an account, and if you haven't, then you can just go to the seller section. Just click on the seller section that is on the top navigation bar, and another interface will be opened right in front of you. And in this section, you just have to enter your company name, company number, your registration date, and follow through the instruction provided by TikTok shop. And by this way, you will be able to create a TikTok shop. And when you have established a TikTok shop, then you can just go to your shop and you can add products to your TikTok shop. So this is how you can add products to TikTok shop. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.